Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela. Sithelo Shozi has finally showed off her baby Coco, and the baby looks so cute. She definitely has beautiful babies, hey? The girl makes fine babies, and the baby looks like Spahle Mpisane, Andile Mpisane's sister. And I don't know why Andile Mpisane would want to do a DNA test. I mean, the baby looks like baby Flo a bit. And Spahle was just being dramatic. That's just my opinion. Coco turns 1 today, and Sithelo decided to bless her Instagram fans with Coco on her birthday. She posted a series of pictures and captioned, "Thunjana wami, izandla zidlula ikhanda. Ngibonga angideli umdali ngawe. Intendele, lwele enkundleni, unwelo olude, ithemba lami likuwe." Musa Khawula also took it to his Twitter account and wrote, "Sithelo Shozi with her daughter Coco celebrating her first birthday, and other trips believe that the child is Andile's baby. There's no need for DNA test." One trip said, "She looks like Spahle Mpisane. Sithelo unabantwana abahle, hey?" I totally agree, she looks like Spahle, and baby Coco is beautiful. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.